Claude versus MidJourney, two breakthrough AI tools, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Claude, the conversational wizard for smarter chats and code. And on the right, MidJourney, the powerhouse for jaw-dropping AI-generated images. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing today. We're going through their core function: AI model strength, creativity and output, pricing, user experience and support, and integrations and ecosystem. This should cover pretty much everything you'd want to know. Ready? Let's roll through each category. First, let's talk about core function. So Claude is basically your go-to for anything text. Whether you need super smart chats, code support, or just want help with a research doc, this thing shines. But big catch: it can't generate images. Meanwhile, MidJourney is all about visuals, like best-in-class AI art. Their unique style is wild, and you can even do image-to-prompt stuff with their /describe tool. But nada when it comes to text reasoning or document work. Neither really beats the other here. They're just amazing in their own zones. So it's kind of a tie. Next up, AI/model strength. Okay, Claude packs a seriously beefy language model. It's awesome at having real conversations, explaining tricky things like you can ask it about quantum physics or code in Python. It handles tons of languages, but yeah, sometimes the code output can get a little wonky, and you might need to clarify what you mean. Now, MidJourney's tech is next level for images. Their diffusion model makes magic happen for photorealistic stuff and fantasy art, but honestly, it's locked to visuals only. You can't chat or problem solve with it like a language model. So for brains, Claude wins this round. No contest. Let's move to creativity and output. So Claude is impressive at coming up with creative stories, brainstorming ideas, or giving you summaries. It knows how to make words dance. But yeah, here's the deal. If you need videos or images, there's nothing here. Sorry. MidJourney, though, oh, this is where things get spicy. If you want jaw-dropping artwork, fantasy landscapes, anime, photoreal portraits, this is the pick. Plus, that /describe tool can actually teach you about new prompt ideas. Sure, controlling those styles can get tricky, and there's a learning curve, but the output is just next level. So for artistic creativity, MidJourney easily takes the win. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. MidJourney's /describe tool can actually turn any image you give it into a prompt. And if you want to make that prompt pop, Claude can help you craft the perfect wording. It's like peanut butter and jelly for AI creativity. All right, pricing time, which always kind of hurts, right? So Claude gives you basic chat for free, and there are flexible paid plans if you want to go advanced, like using the API or for enterprise stuff. But you do have to shell out for those pro features. MidJourney starts at $8 a month. Super clear tiered pricing, and you just pay for what you use image-wise. The bummer? No free trial. And you have to subscribe for regular use. Still, their pricing is honestly simpler, so for most people, MidJourney snags this category. On to user experience and support. Claude's web interface is sleek, modern, and honestly just really readable. Summaries, quick context windows, and they seem to actually listen to feedback. Downside? If you're a visual artist, it's not really built for you. MidJourney, though, is entirely based in Discord. Instant collab is cool if you love communities, but it can be a headache if you're not into chat platforms. You need a Discord account, and there's no direct web interface. It can feel kinda clunky for new folks. So, overall experience? Claude is friendlier, especially for newcomers. Finally, integrations and ecosystem. Claude's got APIs and hooks for custom apps, integrates with outside tools, and is built for serious enterprise workflows. But honestly, most of this power goes to developers and businesses, not your average user. MidJourney is super community-driven, with remixing and sharing, and they've got some bot integrations rolling around. But no standard API, and you can't really automate it easily. So unless you live in Discord, it's a bit limited. Claude picks up the win here. So you can already see that while Claude dominates the text, coding, and integration worlds, MidJourney just absolutely rules in creative, stunning visuals. Both have standout strengths. They're pretty much neck and neck, depending on what you need.
Here's my honest take.
If what you need is conversations, research, or code, Claude is hands down the best choice. But if you want visually striking, original images, MidJourney is the way to go. And you know what? If you really want to take things to the next level, use both. Have Claude write the prompt and let MidJourney bring it to life. The best combo in 2025, honestly. If you like this kind of breakdown and want more AI tool comparisons, follow along and I'll keep you posted on the freshest insights in AI. See you in the next one.